Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create a system image backup in Windows 7. Click Start button, Control Panel. Click View by small icons. Click Backup and Restore. Click Create a system image. Give the backup location, hard drive, or network location. Click Next. Click Next. Click Start Backup. Do you want to create a system repair disk? Click No to continue. System image backup completed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.